Hey, Raider. 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 Don't mess with that. Stop. Stop.
We can stop animal.
What are you drinking? What are you looking?
I accidentally spilled some, and I think
Oh, you spilled Dr. Pepper. Raider, stop. Try to drink that. I told you, stand. Told you, stand up. He's gonna try.
You go back one more time, and I'm gonna feed you this guy.
Throw him actually. See what happens. Oh shoot. Nope, I didn't mean it. Right, Raider. Wait, you think Raider will attack me? Raider! Raider!
I got it.
Raider! Oh my gosh!
Die.
Hey, Raider. Oh shoot. Don't get too close to the camera, Raider. Raider, Raider, stop. Raider. Raider, you.
Bunny. Bunny candy.
I would throw your Dr. Pepper at you.
What the frick are you eating now?
Look at the camera, Raider. But don't get that close. Raider. Don't lick it.
You bad.
Be careful. He's trying to lick Dr. Pepper.
Get the freak off. And wait, why am I protecting this?
I don't know. Yeah, look at the camera, Raider. Good boy.
So you have to restart.
Why'd you restart it?